November so far has felt like ice skating weather here in West Michigan.
But there is milder weather ahead. Chief Meteorologist George Lessons outside on the deck with 13 on your side forecast. Hopefully they'll be able to open, George.
Well, there's always hope. You know, if you don't have hope, what do you have?
That's right.
What don't you have? Anyway, we have seen, yes, I think our coldest days behind us for November. At least the second half of the month is looking not quite as cold, and we may actually see a few degree days with above average temperatures. We came close today. 13 weather ball is green. No change to this kind of weather pattern foreseen. Back into the 40s. And this view brought to you by the great folks at your West Michigan Ace Hardware stores. We made 45 today. Missed our forecast. First time in 2 weeks we've done that. And we'll try again here during the day tomorrow. Speaking of tomorrow, we'll be climbing up into the low 40s here in Grand Rapids. Maybe a degree or two cooler than today. There is going to be a lot of low clouds, some low visibilities at times, and maybe a spot or two of drizzle. But temperatures here in Grand Rapids staying above freezing overnight. And of course, we'll climb into the low 40s. So low clouds, drizzle, some haze in the afternoon, fog in the morning. That'll last through tomorrow into the evening hours with more seasonable temperatures in the 40s. Be some wind and rain though on Wednesday. We may get to 50 plus, especially from Grand Rapids southward, but a cooler weekend on the way. Highs will be in the 40s. And it looks like there's going to be a significant shot of some rain on Thanksgiving Wednesday. At least that's the way it looks right now. Lots of clouds around the area. There was a little bit of sunshine early on in the day. From Grand Rapids south and east, you can see that. And this is where the warmer temperatures were, up into the low and mid 40s. Back to the west, it's pretty quiet. There is a little bit of light rain coming out of South Dakota into Minnesota and Iowa. That is going to be falling apart, though. We'll just hang on to the clouds. There is some warmer air coming on in, and that's why we have temperatures in the 40s now to near 50 through Thursday. Lots of clouds in your hour-by-hour forecast overnight. You can see the winds are out of the south for the most part. You can see occasionally there will be a spot of green show up here and there. Not many. So just some drizzle, some non-impact light rain. Throughout the night tomorrow night, again, similar conditions hanging on to the cloud cover all the way through Wednesday. Making a little bit of a break late in the day on Wednesday before the next weather system comes on in. This is daybreak on Thursday, so very late Wednesday night into Thursday morning. There's going to be a lot of rain and a little bit of a wind. These are south winds at about 10 to 20 miles per hour, and they'll pick up to maybe around 25 to 30 before they wind down on Thursday night. But anywhere in this area, we'll see a good soaking of rain. Nothing in the meantime. It's going to be fairly quiet. Just a few hundredths of an inch, maybe enough to dampen the ground here tomorrow. During the day on Wednesday, excuse me. Virtually no rain at all. But here comes the rain. This is by 8 o'clock in the evening on Thursday. Anywhere between about a half to maybe 3/4 to an inch of rain by the time it's done on Thursday night. But the warmer temperatures are going to stick around until Friday. So tomorrow, similar day to today, especially from Muskegon northward, upper 30s to near 40. Maybe a little bit cooler around than today from Holland and South Haven southward. You'll be around 40. Clouds, low clouds, drizzle, maybe a little fog, some haze in the afternoon. Similar up north. You'll be up into the mid and upper 30s during the afternoon. Very light winds, so we're not really being able to mix out a lot of this low-level moisture, and similar conditions here in the greater Grand Rapids area. We'll be up close to 43 here in GR. Most other areas right around 40 to 41. 13 on your side forecast. Wind and rain on Thursday, and then temperatures will fall out of the 40s into the 30s during the day. Mostly cloudy skies both Friday morning into Saturday, and that'll be our coldest day until Thanksgiving Day. Back into the low 40s Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, and then as everyone wants to travel on Wednesday next week, looks like there's a good shot of some rain and some wind with falling temperatures again on Thanksgiving Day.